Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to see teammates through walls in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly what you need to do is you need to click on the setting option here and then go to basic, and on the right hand side you can clearly see this option called perspective teammate. So just turn it on and then I will show you how you will be able to see your teammates.
Front line.
So as you can see, there it is. I am able to see him through the wall and through the let's hide here. There you go. You can clearly see all of them. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.
Enemy contact. Headshot.